Good morning, folks. Just want to give you guys a real quick oil review update as oil prices continue to climb this morning and gas prices continue to go sky high. Um, I'll be back later this morning with a full market review, but I wanted to do this real quick and give you guys a quick update on how oil is running pre-market. Um, Today is June 8th, 2022. Is now 7:32 in the morning. We are halfway through the week, through the trading week. It's Wednesday. All right. So I told you guys to look out for oil because of the possible cup and handle pattern is showing. And this is a 4-hour chart. This is textbook, folks. You can't get no better than this. So prices went up here to a peak around 120, came back down, forming this big rounded type dip, which is normally considered some type of cup formation. Then you come back down, create a possible handle. And this is perfect because what it did here is it just created a rounded bottom right at the 20-day, where it bounced and ready to continue its move higher. So I think oil is about ready to break that 120 level probably in a big way. So pay close attention to that. If you are not already in energy stocks, it's still not too late. There's a chance to possibly take advantage of a possible breakout above this 120 level. And if we break out above that 120 level in a substantial way today or this week, keep harping on this. Here's a weekly chart. You can see this rounded pattern even much more clearly. If you look at the weekly chart, this move may be, it may be a quick sharp move up towards this 130 and then a pullback. You look at the wins percentage, there's some type of hinge happening in the overbought territory. So we could see a real quick move, folks. So pay attention to that sometime this week. Could possibly see that move up to that 129 level. We're up here or very close to it before we see some type of ceiling get hit temporarily by crude and possible pullback, preparing for the next move. Now, ultimately, if you look at the bigger picture of crude, this is what I'm looking at. Still eyeing this bigger picture. I really think crude sometime this year will definitely challenge this level that we hit in 2008. All right, wanted to point that out, folks, real quick. So again, short term, near term, crude look like it's ready to possibly attempt to break out, attempt to challenge a move higher above this level. All right, it may be a quick move too, because you look at the look at the full stochastics and the wins percentage. It definitely headed into some overbought territories. Wins percentage already starting to hinge lower, so we got to see how that pans out. But then we could even get another big reversal in this wins percentage indicator to the upside. So there's a huge potential for oil to rally this morning above that 120 level. So keep that in mind. Oil stocks. One particular that really caught my eye was a lot of unusual option activity. Yes, here recently is ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil, like it has a lot of room to run. Even with prices on a monthly chart, it's just taking off. But I think there's still a lot more room to the upside in ExxonMobil. There's a quarterly chart of ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil is like by the end of this year, folks, it could definitely be well above 117, maybe even breaking out in a huge way up to 140, 150 by the end of this year. So that's one to consider. All right, folks, I will catch you guys on the next video.